Let's take a look at this crucial part of your steering system. It helps control direction and stability. Every part meets high-quality standards. Forged from high-strength steel, the ball resists wear and ensures smooth steering. You can add grease through the grease fitting, allowing you to achieve subsequent lubrication of the product without disassembly. Offers smooth, flexible 360 degrees rotation. Additionally, the high-strength arm body is coated with anti-corrosion material for long-lasting reliability. Accessories and tie rods are precisely matched and work in concert to ensure the vehicle's steering stability.